Hello viewers, you are welcome back to Chimamata Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. Has your enemy make your life miserable to you? Has they made your life uncomfortable to you? Has they been causing catastrophe in your family, in your home? This message is for you. That strong enemy that you have been finding a way to destroy, and it's as if no matter what you do, you are just pouring water on a stone. This recipe will destroy that enemy. This recipe will destroy that evil man or evil woman. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on the comment section, and share my videos to your friends and your well-wishers. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Chimamata Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to put your enemies to where they belong, using the power of the Almighty God, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual power, their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribe to the red button down below this video at your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, share my videos, and comment on the comment section without wasting each and every of your time. On today's power part information, on today's recipes, on how you can defeat your enemy, on how you can destroy your enemy, on how you can deal with that strong woman, that strong man that has been afflicting you with diseases, that has been afflicting you with sicknesses, that has been afflicting you with poverty, that have been afflicting you with failure, that has been manipulating your spirit, attacking you with all kinds of attacking your finances, attacking your family, attacking your marriage, attacking your business. Today's recipe will put an end to that strong enemy, that enemy that you have been trying to deal with him, that you have been trying to send him to where he belongs and he refuses. After doing this recipe, I gave you 7 days to come back with your testimony. On today's power part information, on today's recipe, the item, the materials that we are going to be needing is none other material that has the power to repair evil, that has the power to destroy the enemy, that has the power to chase away negative energy. And the demons is, we call it lemon fruit. What you will be needing here is lemon fruit. On this channel, if you can check on our old videos, we have done a lot of videos with lemon. Lemon has a lot of spiritual energies and powers. It has a lot of spiritual vibration that if you can use it to repair evil, you can use it to send evil to flight, you can use it to cleanse, you can use it to drive away negative energy, you can also use it to acquire prosperity. If you know how to use all these natural materials, natural fruits that God has created. These are number one fruit that God has created. It possesses the power of the sun. It possesses the power of the earth. And the name is lemon. We are going to be using lemon in order to break every causes of any man, in order to break every evil manipulation of any man or any woman, any evil utterances, any attack, anywhere they are making our life miserable and comfortable, making our finances, making our destiny, not for us not to give anything account in what we are struggling for. We need lemon. That is number one material. And number two material is your alligator pepper. The war finisher, the battle finisher, alligator pepper. Yes, you need your alligator pepper. Number three material, you need a sheet of paper. where you will write the names of those enemies, those that has been causing catastrophe in your life, making life miserable for you, making you to fall sick, causing distraction, causing stagnation, causing disappointment, causing barrenness, causing failure, bringing blockages to your life. You are only good for the man to date you. You are not good in marriage. It is not your fault. It is one evil man or one evil woman that has been doing one or two on your family that is making nobody in that family to go to her husband's house. In your family, you have ladies that are 40, 50s, but they are still in their parents' house. It is not ordinary. After doing this recipe, you are going to receive freedom. Get me a pieces of paper where you will write the names of those enemies. Another thing you need to get me is garlic powder. Garlic. Look at these two combination of spiritual materials that God has created. Lemon and garlic and alligator pepper. That is what you need to finish this battle, to destroy that evil man or that evil woman that has claimed not to be destroyed. This recipe is going to put them down to defeat. All you need to do, watch this video to the end. I need to advertise my product before I tell you how you can do this for your own good in order to put your enemy down to flight. If you are just coming in contact for this faith for the very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist, and on this channel we share spiritual tips, and we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. You that are just coming on here, if you have any spiritual problem that you need me to look into, don't hesitate to contact me on the phone. My number is +234 7088136610. On this channel, we have our spiritual materials and products for sale. We have the curse breaking soap. In case you are under a curse, they have been placing a curse on you. Remember, if any man or any woman is under a curse, be it foundational curse or inherited curse that you inherited from your foundation, nothing good comes your way. No matter what you do, you suffer like an elephant and you eat like an ant. But by using this curse breaking soap, you will see every curse will be broken in your life. We have the road opening soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the back to sender soap. We also have the spiritual cleansing bandages for those of you whose spiritual work have not been working on their body. No matter the spiritual tips you do from other YouTubers, but it doesn't work for you. You need spiritual cleansing bandages to clean your aura so that good things can come in. We have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. This product is tested and trusted. I can beat up my chest and tell you that a lot of people has purchased this product and they has been giving testimonies upon testimony. Are you suffering from moving object? Is it moving from your hairs to your toes? Is it crawling all over your body? Are you losing your strength? Have you been to the doctors, to the physicians? When they diagnose you, they see nothing, but you are dying slowly. Something is crawling all over your body, is moving inside your stomach, is moving inside your pecus, all over your body. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the movement object remover. I also have the favor soap. If you always want to receive favor from your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, your friends, and well-wishers, you need this soap. I have the love and attraction soap. If you need to add spices to your relationship, this soap is there for you. If you don't want your man to be going for side chicks outside, if you don't want your woman to be going for side men outside, this soap will help you. I have the Stop Evil Oil, 99 Demon Manipulation Oil is also in stock in our spiritual shop. Each and every of these products are tested and trusted. We ship all part of the whole world. We use EMS, DHL, FedEx to ship our product all part of the whole world. All you need to do is to place an order within the interval of 4 to 5 days. You will get your order placed on your doorstep. My number is +234 7088136610. That is my number. And if you have never subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, and God bless you. Without wasting much of your time, let me tell you how you can destroy that strong enemy, that enemy that claimed that nobody will destroy him, with these three ingredients, these three materials, spiritual material that God has created that has a lot of powers, you are going to destroy them. All you need to do is to get me your lemon. That is number one. Garlic powder and your alligator pepper. Lemon first. You first of all, you get your pieces of paper. You know the names of your enemy. How many are your enemies? Are they 1? Are they 2? Are they 3? Are they 4? Are they 5? Are they 6? 7? 8? 9? 10? List the name of those your enemies that has been making life miserable for you. Those that want you to be suffering like an elephant and eating like an ant. Those that have said it to your face that they will never be alive to see you to make it. Those that have said it to your face that it shall not be well with you. They will never be in this earth to see you make it. Are they from your paternal side? Are they from your maternal side? Are they your friends that you have made on this world that has made that utterances in your life and is having effective in your life? You are suffering without giving account of anything. They have been afflicting you with sicknesses. They have been afflicting you with diseases. If you know whoever that you are suspecting that is your enemy, write the name on this sheet of paper. If they are 20, write the 20 names. And if you don't know anybody who is your enemy and you are suffering, they have been attacking you with sicknesses, diseases, affliction of the devil, all you have to write to whom it may concern that is my enemy, or to all my enemies. Write it on this sheet of paper. Then you get your lemon. You cut it horizontally, not vertically. Look at it. Look at it. This is how the lemon has to be cut. After you cut this lemon like this, lemon possesses the power to destroy the works of the devil. It repairs evil utterances and charms. Lemon drives away negative energy. It drives away spirit. Yes. After cutting it this way, what you should do for me, bring the names which you have written on this paper. Lay it like this. You see this way. If the paper is big, fold it. You fold it this way. Fold it. This is how it's going to be. You see. After doing it this way, anointing no be juju and power no be powder. You bring your garlic powder. Spray garlic powder on top of it. You spray your garlic powder on top of it. And you begin to call them that are your enemies. If you have been practicing some YouTuber spiritual tips on how to destroy your enemy and it didn't work for you, this one is going to work for you. You spray your garlic powder on top of the name and on top of the lemon. One more thing you need is your alligator pepper. How are you going to use this alligator pepper? Alligator pepper does not go a war without winning it. It doesn't lose any battle. That is why we are using it to send them to flight. For alligator pepper to go and fight and win the battle for you against your enemies. How many names did you write there? How many are your enemies? You pick, if it is 4 or 5, you pick 5 alligator pepper and put it inside of the lemon that you cut on top of this place. If it is 1, put it here. You see, I only put 1. Cover it this way. Now your enemy has been blindfolded. They have been covered with the lemon and garlic powder and your alligator pepper. What you need to do is begin to pray against any man, any woman that you have written his name here. Wherever you are, I have been doing so many recipes, they are not affecting you, but today on, you are not going to escape it. I harness the spiritual energy from alligator pepper, the spiritual energy from garlic, the spiritual energy from lemon. And I join them together to fight this battle. Wherever you are attacking me, starting from today, I begin to receive obituary without announcement. You that are my enemy, let every evil utterances that you have sent to me return back to sender to you. That food that you have cooked to me, I have served it back to you. Wherever you are, receive that sickness, receive that stagnation, receive that blockages, receive that backwardness, that utterances that you have placed on my head, I return it back to sender to you. That untimely death that you wish me, may you receive untimely death. That stagnation, may you return back to you. That disappointment, may you return back to you. That sickness, may you return back to you. That failure, may you return back to you. That death that you wish me, I am giving you from now till 14 days for them to announce your obituary. When you make your prayers, you know what you are going through. You know how the evil one has been attacking you. When you are done making your prayers, look at this. You are going to find a leather bag to wrap on this lemon. Wrap this lemon with a leather bag and keep it for 21 days. If you can't keep it at a place, go and bury it. Bury it inside the soil. By burying it, you are burying the plans of your enemy. You are burying your enemy. That death that he has wished you will return back to him. That evil utterances, whatsoever that they have wished you, by burying this on the earth, you have buried them on the earth. Just go and do this and wait for announcement of untimely death of your enemy. Go and try this recipe out and come back with your testimony. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. If there's anything you don't understand that I say on here, don't hesitate to ask me a question. Don't hesitate to give me a like on my video. Comment on the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos to your friends and your well-wishers. Invite your friends to be a partaker of this great channel. And if you need any of my spiritual product, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. God bless you. See you in my next video.